This is a soyer BMS-8N stud welding machine and pin welding machine with PS-1KI gun, 1K high gun. We are doing a mock-up trial in Emirates Safety Laboratory in Dubai for advanced Morgan ceramic material. We are inserting 50 mm, 100 mm, 150 and 200 mm Morgan advanced ceramic insulation on 0.8 mm GI duct sheet. So now I am welding soyer 2.7 into 30 mm into 175 mm length cupped pin, copper coated nail pin in our soyer BMS-8N with PS-1KI high gun now in 200 mm insulation with magnet type attachment. See, welding is finished. Even if you are unable to pull out, welding is fully finished. I will weld one more.